What's going on, guys? This is Mark with 16 back at it again with another episode. But today is a little different. We're not going to be doing any sim rig training. We're actually going to go take the GR Corolla to get a new upgrade installed, a new part, if you will, in all its glory. Filthy, because I haven't washed it since the snowstorm, but that's okay. We're gonna go get this part installed and then we'll wash it and then we'll be all good. So let's go ahead and get this started. All right, so before we go to Derek's, the wife called and asked what I was doing, and randomly calling me to see what I'm doing usually means, can you bring me some food? And since she's my queen, you know, we're gonna go get her some breakfast real quick. We're gonna go to a little place here called Einstein Bagel Bros. Has the best bagels on earth, I swear. So we're gonna go do that real quick, and then after that we'll drop it off, and then we'll head over to GGP's new shop. So this is Bagel Bros. All right, Bagel Bros, this is everyone. If you have not been to Bagel Bros, you need to go. And when you go, ask for the Maple House. The Maple House, I thought there was a fucking step there. Oh yeah, now we're talking. See that? Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, look at that. There's... I think I probably have one. Oh yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna get it, but I should get it. We're gonna eat before we go. Take Kiki her food just because I don't want to eat on the road while I'm driving and trying to record and be an influencer or whatever. Oh, that's not my mistake. But a little bit of a bad news for me today at Einstein Bagel Bros. I know I was hyping them up, but they're so good they ran out of my favorite bagel, which is the French toast bagel, which is absolutely phenomenal. But instead we got this apple cinnamon. That's what it looks like. And then we're gonna scarf this down real quick and then we're gonna head out. So, let's see. Now, let's go take Kiki her food. All right, so we're here at GGP Grocery Getter Performance. If you don't know who that is, that's Derek and his shop. This is a Circuit Edition, right?
Yes, sir.
Circuit Edition with the last R rotiforms in white. I've thought about doing white on mine, but white just don't feel right. If it's white, it ain't right. No offense to anybody out there, okay? And just parked out here in front of your sign. I saw your picture. That's pretty cool. When was David here?
Yesterday.
Okay.
I think. Yeah, he was just here yesterday.
And these are both your engine bays?
No, it's just this one right now.
Is it divided
That's
by?
That's a CrossFitter. Like,
oh.
They're.
Y'all have some really sexy cars.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Every time I come by, I'm like, what are they gonna have out here?
Yeah.
Walk over and like.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
So I'm ready for the tour, bro.
Yeah. So it's three of us in here. Me, Alex, and our guy Pacheco. So wraps, detailing, paint correction, performance parts, the whole shebang.
He does both, or is it two different guys for the other two?
So this is Alex. He's the guy with the mastermind with all the wraps, PPF, all that stuff.
Nice.
Pacheco,
Mark.
our guy Pacheco, he is out detailing a jet plane right now. So he's actually
like pressure washing the jet plane?
polishing it and everything.
Jeez.
Like legit, actually just detailing the whole plane.
So, was this like a vision of yours? Like, did you know you wanted to open a shop when you first started, or like, how did that work out?
I mean, it's always been something that me and Alex wanted to do. I was just doing everything out of my garage. He was doing all his stuff out of his garage, and you know, we live like one street over from each other. So I was always over at his place, and then one day we're just like, man, we need a shop.
Yeah.
We need some space. That way we're not always having customer cars in our garage or our driveway,
Yeah.
whatever. And
It just feels like official. Like, you know, like install days are just now at the shop, you know?
right?
So,
Yeah. Well, I still love doing the install days at people's houses because it feels more like a community, and that's what I'm about.
Yeah.
Like I come from the Mazda Speed world, and we had this thing called Nader, and it was all about like making it feel like family.
Yeah.
You know, so like one weekend every month, usually on a Sunday, we'd get together at somebody's house, we'd barbecue, we'd install parts if we had any. A lot of people get drunk.
yeah.
It's just a crazy
Yeah.
thing.
What do we do?
I mean, if you want to install a part, we. It's nice having all this room under here.
You only deal with lowered
Yeah.
guys that are lowered.
It's all. That's the damn CrossFit gym in here right there.
Hell yeah. All right, so this is the 95.
Yes, sir.
So I only know like what it's gonna benefit me, but what's the difference between this and like the stock?
I mean, it's a night and day difference as far as drivability. Right now, your engine's just flopping around in there. Every time you shift, it's kind of going back and forth.
Yeah,
and
I noticed it in first and second. From first and second, it's
Yeah.
like it wants to shift, but there's something blocking it, and I had to put like resistance, and I was kind of scared.
And so by going to this, you're going to eliminate all that. And something that a lot of people don't understand, or you know, they don't really think about, not only does this help in the shifts, but when you're cornering and stuff, that rear motor mount, or pitch mount as a lot of people call it, it allows the engine a little bit of like sideways movement as well. And so when you turn in, an object in motion wants to stay in motion in the direction it's going until acted upon to change. So when you turn, your engine
It's
wants
still
to keep
going right.
straight.
Right.
And so it shifts to the side, and when you have that shift inside of your vehicle, it's like if you've ever gone karting, you know, you turn in, you can kind of bump your body to kind of swing the cart out or kind of move it. But if you're rigid during the turns, like your cart's gonna behave a different way. So with your motor jumping side to side when you're going into these turns, you're not gonna get as predictable of turn-ins and stuff like that. By keeping it in place, you're gonna be predictable every time that you turn in somewhere.
Okay.
So
that'll be tomorrow.
Yeah.
And this video is not coming out till after that. So.
So you'll.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, of course. And it's the best price motor mount on the market. This is the very first one that was ever designed for the GR. I started off with the regular Corollas the E210 hatch before the GRs ever came out.
Okay.
And so this is compatible with both. And as soon as the GRs came out, I tested this on the GR. Everything fit perfect and everything. So I guess my claim to fame is being very first
Yeah. All right, good.
manufacturer to make.
You hear it first, guys. First to market wins.
First to market.
First to market always wins.
And since it came out, it's still been the lowest priced one on the market.
Don't wait up or down. Don't be smart, right up. Don't wait up or down. Don't be smart, right up. On your pain. Don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, right up. Be out of right up. Don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, right up. Be out of right up. Don't wait up or down. Do that.
That's all she wrote.
Wait, this whole thing comes out?
Yeah, but we just check this off right here. And so this is what gets replaced. So crack this bolt off and
Oh, okay.
take that out. So we're going to not reuse this bolt because this is steel. Well, the way that I've got the motor mount wherever I designed it, I put a locking nut on the other side. I forget exactly what, stover nut. And so there's no nylon to deteriorate or anything. It's a friction-based lock nut. Will not come off. Will not vibrate off no matter what you do to it. But the reason I didn't design threads into the mount is because, as a lot of people know, when aluminum and steel oxidize over time, it will make it to where you're just going to pull all the threads out of the mount whenever you have to take it off again for some reason or the other. So to be safe, I went stainless with stainless, and you're never going to have an issue with that.
Okay.
That thing is warm. Crush this part in to where
Your shoulder's going to be on fire, that's for sure.
maybe if I was doing a transmission swap, but let's button this thing back in. She's good to go.
Oh, yeah.
The OEM piece, you can see why you get a ton of flex. I mean,
What the hell? Just rubber?
yeah, just rubber. I mean, the fact that I can move this whole thing with just my thumbs, you can imagine what 280 foot-pounds or whatever of torque is doing to that thing.
All right, so we just got the motor mount installed. Let me explain to you what it's like to drive without it. First, it feels like someone is pushing the shifter against whatever direction you're trying to get it to. So if you're in first trying to go to second, someone's trying to keep it in first, fighting you. If you're trying to go from second to first, same thing, third to second, third to fourth, it doesn't matter. Now that I have the 95A durometer pitch mount from GGP, Derek himself back there, and my 25 premium manual transmission, I'm hoping to get rid of that feeling and sensation. So I don't know if you're able to hear the vibrations, because apparently the vibrations that come with this this level of durometer, it's quite noticeable. But we'll see. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what it's going to sound like. mean, it's not anything. The vibrations don't. I like the race car feel. You know. It is noticeable. The vibrations.
It's not like a crazy thing, is it?
No. No. Okay, I'm gonna take it out for a spin, and then we're gonna go take this out for a spin, and oh my god. Okay, so definitely feel that. Definitely feel the reverse vibrations. All right, so we definitely feel the vibrations in reverse. Let's see what it feels like going forward. It's only on low RPM is when you really feel it. Oh my god. That is so much. I'm not gonna say the car is faster by any means, but you definitely notice the difference. There's no like wind up on there. Shifts feel a lot smoother. Nothing is fighting me. The sensation of not having that forward momentum, it's snappier. So I'm about to take this turn. Wow, that is a massive difference. The only thing that I'm gonna have to get used to, and it's not even really gonna bother me that much, is the vibration at low RPMs. Dude, that is so noticeable.
Crazy difference, huh?
That's an insane difference. It's like it almost feels like it made the car faster, but it's just because there's not like that lag, that little
that
waiting for the engine to catch up or something. It's like that. And then I turned real fast and coming back, and again it was like it better oversteer than understeer. So I really like it. Only thing I know I'm gonna have to get used to is. What's going on, guys? It's Mark with 1.6, and today we're gonna talk about how I got first place